dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Hunting brave, got mini afros. Big lips, got hips, some of us don't. Big nose, contours, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in a medium broke. Wanna fat pretty like a Kardashian, though. Wanna fat pretty like my eye, got a young.
Welcome back to my channel. My name's Tan. If it's your first time here, hey girl, hey. And if you're a returning subscriber, then thanks for coming back. So today is Tuesday, which means it's another wig, another day, another week, another Tuesday. But today's wig is from Amazon, and I can't say the company's name, so I'll make sure I put it right here. They were nice enough to send me this wig, so thank you so much. Just a disclaimer, all thoughts are my thoughts. They're not paying me, they were just nice enough to send me the wig, so I'm gonna be honest no matter what. It is a headband wig, which is also something new for me and this channel. I've never had a headband wig, I've never tried a headband wig, so I will stop rambling and let's just get it. So this is how the wig comes. It just comes in a plastic bag. Obviously you can tell that it comes with a cute little bandana like headband. Yeah, because it's a headband wig. So this is the wig. I got a 1B. It's supposed to be a 26-inch. It looks pretty long. Curly unit, so comes in the front. One comes in the back. Your typical cap construction, and of course the band for the headband part is up here as well. What I will say is that it seems like it's pretty soft. I'm not gonna say you can just run your hands through it. Oh well, yeah, you can run your fingers through it. You're gonna get some snags and tangles, but I don't know. It says 1B, but this looks pretty black to me. It looks more so as a 1, but let's just go ahead and put it on. So I mean, I guess if I wanted to, I could flip the headband to make it a little bit thinner. Yeah, the headband thinner. But I'm actually gonna keep it kind of thick and so this is it. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? So this is it just on with the black headband. Honestly, I could just rock that black headband as is. And I will say that this wig is big head friendly for sure, because I was trying to make sure that I secured it enough with the headband. The headband is like very stretchy, and the inside of the cap construction of it is, I'm not gonna say it's like super stretchy, but it's definitely big head friendly. This is so cute. Oh my god, I never thought I would like a headband wig. I know that headband wigs were like the thing when quarantine had first started, but like I just never got one. But you also know I just recently got into wigs like that. So again, here is the headband that they sent. I'm not really a pink person. If anything, I'm probably gonna wear this next month because I'm gonna be doing something with Brace for the Cure. So I'm probably gonna use that for this, or use that for then. But I do have a headscarf right here, so let's just see how it would look. This is so cute. This is so cute. I love it. Just a little bit about the hair. Like I said, I got it in a 1B. This more so looks like a 1 to me personally. The wig was only 21, I want to say, dollars. 21, 22 dollars. It seems pretty thick. It seems pretty thick. I am getting some tangling, but for a long unit, you're gonna have tangling. Oh yeah. Is it 26 inches? Yeah. Yeah, it's definitely 26. Might be a little bit longer than 26. The hair has a nice little bounce to it, which I love that. I don't feel like it does look a little shiny in person, so I would probably just use some dry shampoo to dull that down. But I mean, as far as a synthetic unit goes, for only $20, $21, $22, 26-inch a headband unit at that, this is definitely the type of wig you could put on every single day. Like for me personally, whenever I'm dropping my kiddo off at school, I tend to put on a black Nike hat, but now I don't have to do that. I can put on a cute little headband wig and be out the door. Yes. If you like what you saw, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Also, if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe before you leave, and also click the bell. That way you're notified every time I upload a video. Do me a favor and follow your girl on the gram at Dotson. I also have a TikTok. It's the same as my YouTube and Instagram at Dotson. I want to say thank you to the Amazon seller who allowed me to review this wig. They also have a highlighted version of this wig, and I want to say they have another one in their storefront, so I will make sure to link this wig below. But other than that, girl, I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Black girls in my area cold, dark skin, light skin, medium tones, pumping braids, got mini afros, big lips, got hips, some of us don't, big nose contour, some of us won't, never wanna pass in a video, bro, wanna fight pretty like a Kardashian, wanna fight pretty like my